Hello children, how are you? As usual, I am your computer teacher, Saurabh, and today my video is for the class 4. Okay? But before starting our class, I will again remind you, be safe at home because of Corona. Okay? We are facing the Corona disease, all we know, and it's very dangerous. So be safe and keep learning at home. Okay, and today my class is for the class 4, and we will discuss about the internet and different terms used in internet, what is the use of internet, different things. Internet, as we proceed to class, we will find the answer of different questions. Okay, so a basic question is, what is internet? Internet means most of you operate your internet know how to operate internet very well. I know you can operate YouTube, you can operate Facebook. All these websites are run through internet. Okay. But before starting, why these are the uses. But before starting the using of internet, you should know what is internet. Internet is a connection of different computers. It is a large network of computers. It is a connection of computers kept on a different worlds, different parts of the world, and we all computers are connected with the internet. Okay. Once you for example, you are sitting in Patna and the other computer is kept on the Delhi. If you want to connect these two computers, you have to use the internet. Okay. Using internet, we can access different files on the which is kept on the Australia or Patna or wherever in the world. Not only Patna. Even if the computer is kept on the moon, even it can be operated by using the internet. Fine. So this is the internet. For the internet, I am just writing the answer. What is internet? Internet is the large network of computers in world. Okay, this is the basic answer of this question. Next one is, we use different terms of internet, like what is www? www is World Wide Web. For opening any website, we are starting our website address is www. The World Wide Web means in the world. World wide means whole world. Web means network of computers. Web means it's like a net, jar. इसको हिंदी में लोग कहते हैं जार, है ना? ओके. वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब मीन्स network of computers in a whole world. Fine. Like computer kept here, here. All computers are connected. And this is a web. Okay. All computers are connected with each other. Like a web. In a web, every point is connected with each other. So, World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Next point is hyperlink. Hyperlink. What do you mean by hyperlink? Hyperlink is a link to open any page. Okay. Suppose if there in a page, suppose if they were written your name, Ram. Once you click on Ram, another page will open for the name of Sita. Once you click on the Sita, then another page is open for Hanuman. Okay, it means this page have the hyperlink of this page have the hyperlink of this page, and once we click on Hanuman, it will again be open the page of Ram. These are called the hyperlink to link a page of another page. Okay, hyperlink is the linking of page with another page. Okay, this point is hub. HUB. Hub is a hardware. Hub is a hardware. It is used to connect all the computers with each other. Suppose in a computer lab there are kept 10 computers, and if I want to connect all the 10 computers with each other, we use hub. Okay, nowadays company are using switch. Switch is the another after hub. Switch also comes there, but at the basic level, it's a hub. Hub is a central device which is used to connect with all the computers to each other. Hub is a central device. Hub is a central device used to connect with every computer, used to connect with computer each other, with computer each other. Okay. Next one is domain. What do you mean by domain? What is domain? Okay. Domain means what? Domain is the, suppose for example, you are opening a site www.facebook.com. Facebook.com. You are opening a site, another site www.irct.gov.in, and another site www.stmichael High School. .edu. Okay. So we are discussing domain, and at the end you just keep at the end of this address, web address, www.facebook.com. .com means it's a commercial site. www.irct.gov.in. It means it is a gov means it's governmental site, government site. And the last one is www.stmichael.edu. Last one is edu. It means it's educational site. These are the commercial site, government site, and the educational site. So that is a domain. domain means it categorize their website, web page in which category it is. Actually, which category these sites come. In which category these sites come. This side is the commercial side, this side is government side, this side is educational side. Okay. So this is a domain. After domain, we will discuss. Next point is in the next class. This class will be continued for the next class, and we will discuss many more different terminology used in the internet. Okay, don't forget to attend this class, and we will again. I am writing extend to next video. Okay, next video. This class will be again extend to next video, and I don't want to make a large video on this. So be safe at home and keep learning. Okay, thank you.